ma'am, I am belong from Kodbet district, which is located in West Bengal. And ma'am, I am working in West Bengal Police. I have completed my 7 years service in police. If I talk about my family member, there are 6 members in my family, including me, my parents, my brother, my wife and daughter. If I talk about my educational background, ma'am, I have completed my graduation in Bengali literature, ma'am. That's all about me, ma'am.
Great to know about you. You have very good experience in your life.
No, ma'am, not like you, ma'am. When I watching your video conversation with Ram sir, that time I think that this is the beauty of voice. Ma'am, in the when I start my learning, that time my fluency is not good. I especially when I watching you, that time I focus on fluency, and I have learned from you. And at first I want to say namaskar, ma'am, because you are inspiration for me for my uh, focus. Man, at the first time, my voice is not good.
It's
So,
pleasure of mine that someone is getting affected by me and someone is learning from my side. I when I hear from you this type of compliment, I get very over the moon. I feel like I am over the moon that I cannot keep this thing on myself. It is a God grace. If you are practicing every day and you are consistent in your activity, you will get the achievement. It's not only my process or your process. It is everyone that can learn this process, right?
ma'am, I when I notice it, my native language is Bengali, and since my childhood, and Bengali is the only one subject I read, I speak, and when I hear something far away from my house, that is Bengali language. So when I start English learning, when I speak in English, that time my fluency is not come. So in earlier, I just focus on reading, and especially your video, and it's inspiration for me to improve my fluency.
Great, great, great. You are doing a fantastic job, I can say, and you will learn by this year or by every. If you are practicing every day, then you will learn, of course, for
Ma'am,
sure.
sometimes I face a lot of problem like there is no environment to practice speaking English. Even there is no partner with whom I practice. So sometimes I face a lot of problem. Even I recently I using CB app and Hybro app. But ma'am, one thing I noticed only 20% people are very serious to improve their speaking English, and others 80% people they are wasting their time. Sometimes some people pick up the call and hold it, and even someone when he hears the voice sound that time he uh, disconnect the call. So
Yeah,
this type of problem I am facing.
yeah. If I tell about myself also, then when I was in my initial stage, when I was learning this language, then I also faced this kind of problem. So then I started thinking that no, I will connect to YouTuber, and there is a recording process also. So no one is going to talk something as means unwanted things. They are not going to talk, and they will talk only whatever the topic related to you or something related to society, something like that. They're not
Yes,
going
ma'am.
to speak as unwanted thing. So I love this thing that talking to YouTuber, it is a good thing that you are talking to someone and you're improving your communication skill and working towards your fluency. These all things will help you a lot.